Welcome to my channel Crochet Tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to make a new stitch known as basket weave stitch. So let's get started. I am going to use 3.5mm crochet hook and going to make a foundation chain. So as you can see, yarn over, pull through the loop. As you can see, again yarn over, pull through the loop. As you can see, I had made a foundation chain of 22 stitches. Now I am going to start the second round. So I am going to make a double crochet that is in UK and a treble crochet in UK. In US I am going to make a double crochet and in UK a treble crochet. So yarn over. As you can see, I am going to skip this one stitch and move into this one. Yarn over, insert into loop, pull through. Now you can see I had 3 loops. I am going to make a double crochet. So pull through 2, pull through 2. Same as yarn over, insert into next one, pull through, again 3, pull through 2, pull through 2. In a time I am going to complete the foundation chain, so you may go and practice it. I had completed the second round by making the double crochet. Now I am going to start the third round, making a chain and make a double crochet as it is. Pull through 2, pull through 2. The third round is going to be a little bit troublesome. You have to focus it. As you can see, these are the stitches. I'm going to make a yarn over and pass from the front. As you can see, this one is the front side, and if I do, this one is the back side. As you can see, so I am going to pick up from the front, yarn over and pick up from the front, and pull through 2, pull through 2. As you can see, again yarn over, pick up from the front, pull through 2, pull through 2. Again yarn over, pick up from the front, and pull through 2 and again pull through 2. So this one is the last, pick up from the front, As you can see, I have picked up 4 double stitches from the front side, and this one is the one extra that is we made as it is. As you can see, in that round, these are the 4 and these are the pick up from the front side. Now yarn over and pick up from the back side. As you can see, pull through 2, pull through 2. Again pick up from the back and make a double crochet. Again, this one is the third. We have to complete the fourth. Third, and this one is fourth, that is the last back stitch. As you can see, again pick up from the front. This one is the fourth, the last stitch from the front. Yarn over, pick up from the back. 4 from front, 4 from back, 4 from front, 4 from back. Pull through 2, again pull through 2. Now I am going to pick up from the front and make a double crochet. These 4 are completed. Now I am going to make as it is stitch 1 double crochet, as you can see. Now I am going to start the third round. Make a chain, turn over, and as you can look, again yarn over and pick up from the back. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, pick up from the back side. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Again, pick up from the back side. Pull through 2, pull through 2. The last one 4, pick up from the back side, as you can see. So as you can see, now I'm going to pick up from the front side. front side. So I have picked up 4 stitches from the front side and 4 stitches from the back side. Again, pick up 4 stitches from the back side. As you can see, pick up 4 stitches from the front side. Again, 4 stitches from the back side. I had made the 4 stitches from the back side and going to make the last stitch as it is. As you can see in this design, 1, 2 and 3. 3 rounds are used to make a 1 basket stitch. So I'm going to start the 4th round. Make a chain and making a stitch as it is. Again yarn over. Now this time I am going to pull from the back side. And make a double crochet. Again, as you can see, this is from the 4 back stitches. Now I am going to pick up 4 front stitches. Again, pick up 4 back. Same 4 from, pick up the 4 stitches from front and 4 from back. last stitches as it is. So as you can see, I made chain 1 and again going to start the 5th round and make a stitch as it is. Again yarn over and make the stitch from the front side. Again pick up the stitches from the front side. As you can see, again pick up the stitch from the back side. I pick up the 4 stitches from the back side. Now I am going to pick up the stitch from the front side. Stitches from front side, again pick up 4 stitches from back side. Again pick up 4 stitches from the front side. Four stitches from front side and 1 is that extra that we made as it is, without picking front or back side. So you can see we had made the basket waves, as you can see at that pattern. You can make this pattern according to your length or size. If you have any query or any confusion related to this stitch, you may ask easily in the comment section. So this will be helpful for you. So stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.